Hey YouTube, what's up? My name is Sophia and welcome to my channel. And today I want to talk to you about a Mac Mini. A Mac Mini. Alright, let's get into it. So, I recently purchased this guy, Beauty. And I just want to talk to you guys about it because, believe it or not, I've been using a 2013 iMac. It's been like 7 years and I'm just now getting... Did you hear that? I'm just now getting a new computer. So I purchased the Mac Mini. And I'll show you guys the one that I purchased so that way you can get an idea and maybe choose for yourself if you decide to get a Mac Mini. Alright, we have two Mac Minis here, one with 256 GB and the other with 512 GB. 256 GB is quad-core 8th gen Intel Core i3 processor, 8 GB of memory, Intel UHD graphics, and again 256 GB with storage. The 512 GB, now that one is a 6-core 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor with turbo boost up to 4.1 gigahertz, 8 GB as well in memory, Intel UHD graphics, the same thing, and 512 GB for storage. It's your choice if you rather go with the 256 GB, which is $799, or the 512 GB, which is $1,099. And you're able to customize it, and you already know it'll be an additional fee. It'll be an additional cost for more memory space. The 8 GB is what automatically comes with it, but if you want a 16 GB, 32, or even a 64, it'll be an additional cost. Especially with storage space, they have a 1 terabyte and a 2 terabyte. They also have the Ethernet, your choice, and pre-installed Final Cut Pro or Logic Pro. So here is the Mac Mini, beautiful, beautiful Mac Mini they created. When you look at the back, it's just flat black with the logo, Mac Mini. Also, I've heard you can maybe get more GB, but hey, if you're good at opening this thing up and changing it, it'd be my guess, but I'll stick with not touching it. Here you go with your ports back here, which they have the power to actually turn it on, 4 Thunderbolt cables, HDMI, and 2 USB ports. Very simple, very small, compacted with all you need in this box. Okay, this is the computer. That's all you need. My first impression on the Mac Mini, wow. First of all, it's so small. Like, who doesn't want a small computer? It gives me, I'm a minimalist, so it gives me more space. The next thing I've noticed is that it looks just like my regular Mac. I mean, it's the same thing. Nothing has changed. When getting this, all that's required is a keyboard, mouse, and a monitor. Portability, it's so small you can fit it in your backpack. You can carry this thing anywhere, everywhere, but as long as you have what you need to go with it to turn it on. The monitor, keyboard, keypad, boom, you're in there. Oh, don't forget your cords. You can't forget the cords. But I feel it's worth getting. Durable, small, compacted with so many different elements, and I think Apple did a really good job with this. Pretty good computer. You can't go wrong with that. I would say this is a good purchase. You should get this and live your best life.